Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as I am really bored, I'm home alone. I thought that I would film a cook with me. It's not really that hard. All I'm going to be making is a tomato soup. But I've never actually made soup from scratch, so it's a new thing to learn how to cook, and it's like an easy thing to eat. I'm going to make it for my lunch tomorrow basically. So I thought that I would film it just as a little upload. You guys can obviously try it as well at home if you're bored. Obviously you can do it with loads of different soups and flavours and stuff, but this one is tomato soup. I was researching it at work, and yeah, basically I'm just gonna film me making tomato soup, really. A little cook with me, because oh, that's a bit bright. I find these videos like entertaining to watch, especially at the moment with like nothing else to do. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, then please hit the like button, subscribe down below, and let's make some tomato soup. Okay, so I'm going to show you the ingredients. I think it's a Gordon Ramsay recipe, I'm not really sure. This is so weird. I don't know if this position is great because it's not high enough for me. Let me see what I can do. That's better. Okay, so the ingredients start off with olive oil. Easy peasy, everyone's got that at home. And then I've got a tin of chopped tomatoes. Again, most people have this at home. An onion. You can have red onion, brown onion, whatever you want. Tomato. I would use more than one. I want to use two, but there's only two more. There's three in total, and I know that my mum and her boyfriend are having fry up tomorrow, and if I eat all of the tomatoes, I know that my mum will be annoyed with me. A carrot. I don't know why a carrot. I don't like carrot, but it's in the recipe. A vegetable stock. Obviously, oh my god, my nail, honestly, look how bad they are. And some garlic. Basically, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook it all a little bit for like 10 minutes probably. This is such a random video, honestly. I'm so bored. Like, I'm going to work, yeah. I'm going to work, but I am so bored when I come home. Like, usually I'd be with Jack, we're watching something, but because I've mentioned it, I'm not seeing him. So, yeah, a little bit bored of my own company. I like my own company, don't get me wrong, but it's a lot of own company now, isn't it? So I don't know how you guys are managing, like the people who aren't going to work. Like, I feel so bad for you. Right, I'm gonna take a thumbnail. Hello. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut up this onion. So I always peel off the really like outer layer of onion as well. I don't know why. I just think it doesn't cook nice either. Just like that. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm crying. The onions are in my eyes. The onions are so making me cry right now. Anyway, that's the onion chopped up. Time for the carrots. I'm actually going to peel this, which... there it is. My eyes have stopped crying, by the way. I've now cut up the, my eyes are still red from cutting the onions, by the way. So I've now cut up the onion and the carrots. And now I am going to, what am I going to do now? I'm going to cut up the tomato. And now, as you can see, I've cut the tomatoes. So this is what it's looking like. It's actually looking really nice right now. Look, my nails match the carrot, it blends in. Honestly, look how grown out they are. I don't know how many times I have to mention it. So I'm gonna take a saucepan, put it on the hob. There we go. So I'm gonna put all of this into the saucepan. So at the moment that's what it looks like. One of these, and cook it, stir it, fry it, whatever you want to do. And then I will report back. So as you can see, it's now sizzling away. Everything is starting to brown. As you can see, there's lots of steam. And I've just turned down the hob a little bit, and I'm going to add the chopped tomatoes. And then obviously mix that in with everything else. And now it looks like this. And I think at this point I might add in the garlic and the vegetable stock just because. And now I'm going to add in the vegetable stock. I'm just going to crumble it in. I've literally never used one of these ever. Very lumpy right now. I don't like lumpy food, like, at all. Might add some boiling water into it, that might help it. So it is cooking away, as you can see. It's just so, like, chunky. So now I'm going to add in a little bit of basil, because why not? And I'm also going to add in some salt and pepper as well. I don't really like pepper, but I always add it into things, just so it makes me feel like a little bit of a chef. I'm going to try and get the outer layer of this garlic clove off. It's really proving difficult. Usually it's so easy, but this one is... Right, and now we're going to take the garlic crusher, pop the garlic into here. I literally love garlic. I could add it to absolutely everything. It's so good. It's like the elite ingredient to everything. I'm gonna leave it now for a little bit on a lower heat. So I had it on 5 and now I've just turned it down to 2. And I'm just gonna let it simmer for a little bit. And then we are gonna basically make it smooth, which I'm really excited for because I hate how lumpy this looks right now. Okay, so now I am going to basically blend up the soup. So obviously, like, lots of people have NutriBullets, lots of people have hand whisks. You know, you can use whatever blender. This is the one that I've got. So it's literally just this blender. I've been using it at the moment for smoothies for like lunch. And it's actually really good. I couldn't tell you what brand it is, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend up the soup in here so it goes smooth. So I've got this pan here with the soup in it, and then over here I've got another pan. So what I'm going to do, I'll show you now. I saw, if you watch Sophia and Chinzia, I saw Chinzia do this on her video with leek and potato. And literally it looked really gross like this before, and then she basically put all of it, she literally had leek and potatoes like in the pan, and she took basically it like I am and put it into a blender and whisked it up, and then afterwards it looked really nice. So I'm going to start with that. It looks so gross. That's what that looks like. Sorry, my phone keeps going off. I'm just telling my friend that I'm filming this weird video on there. And then I'm going to put it on the blender. Right, so I'm going to push it down and blend it now. Oh, I can't do it. It's so hot on the plastic. I'm just scooping scraping out the bottom bits and the bits on the side because I don't want to waste any, if I'm honest. Just using this, I've got it, look, all down the side. Jack hates when I make, you know when you have like a spoon with like a condiment on it, say like mayonnaise, and you go like this to get it all onto the plate. Jack literally hates when I do that, and it's so funny. This looks fabulous, I'm not even gonna lie. So I'm gonna do a taste test. So guys, I'm now gonna taste what it is like. This is what the soup looks like. It's really creamy, even though I didn't add in like any cream or anything. There's a lot of garlic in there. That's pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie. Next time, I would do less garlic. Anyway, that is my homemade tomato soup, which I've never made before. So I think that went quite well. I'd say it went quite well because I put far too much garlic in there. But that is my first ever cook with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's so random, I know, but it's lockdown. I don't think any other time would be acceptable, but right now I think it's acceptable to do this. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy it, and if you did, then please hit the like button, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, bye.